What if you were given the ability to create your own outfit? And we're not talking about your regular print shop designs, but exclusive apparel meant for fashion-forward thinking people that strive for expressing their individuality. You would be given a choice to pick limited designs to customize using whatever color suits you and the apparel of your choice, never having to worry about running into someone with the same clothes on. That's what we've done here at I Murder Fashion. Yeah, we know, the name is edgy, but life is about standing out. We've created a system that allows you to express yourself without sacrificing quality designs that fit any lifestyle. So join us on this movement. Be bold, be passionate, but most of all, be you.